If you want to remove a background or isolate a subject in Pixlr, the Cutout tool is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Cutout tool in Pixlr step by step, including the AI auto option, how to manually refine your selection, and how to apply the final result cleanly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump into Pixlr and get started. First, go to the official Pixlr editor and open the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If your image layer is locked, click the lock icon to unlock it. This is important because you usually need the layer unlocked before you can make edits properly. After that, go to the left toolbar and look for the scissor icon, or simply press the K key on your keyboard. That opens the Cutout tool immediately, which is a nice shortcut when you want to work faster. Now that the Cutout tool is active, you'll see options appear in the top bar. If you want Pixlr to handle most of the work for you, choose AI Auto. This is the easiest option because it can automatically detect the subject and remove the background in one click. It's especially useful for portraits, product photos, or images with a clear subject. After selecting AI Auto, let Pixlr process the image and check how well it removed the background. In many cases, you'll already get a great result right away, but if the edges need improvement or if some areas were removed incorrectly, you can refine everything manually. To do that, switch to the Draw or Magic modes in the top menu. Then, set your brush to Remove, which is shown in red, and paint over any stray background pieces you want to erase. If Pixlr accidentally removed part of your subject, switch the brush to Keep, which is shown in green, and paint over the missing area to bring it back. Take your time here and zoom in if needed, because small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. The goal is to create a clean cutout with smooth edges and no unwanted background fragments. Once you're happy with the selection, click Apply Cutout to commit the changes. At that point, Pixlr will finalize the cutout and you can continue editing, add a new background, place your subject into a design, or export the image for later use. This workflow is really helpful whether you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, product images, or simple photo edits. The best part is that once you understand the Cutout tool, you can save a lot of time compared to doing everything manually from scratch. So just remember the process. Open your image, unlock the layer, select the Cutout tool called the scissor icon. Try AI Auto first if you want a quick result, then refine with Draw or Magic using Remove and Keep, and finally click Apply Cutout to finish. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials and other step-by-step software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.